lesson is going to cover a step that was made famous by Honi Coles. And he would do this extremely fast, but we're going to break it down kind of nice and slow for you. And it's a really neat little step, so enjoy it. This next section of Coles Stroll is a classic Honi Coles combination. This is something he is seen doing quite often. If you watch any old videos of him, you will see him do this combination. It is nothing difficult except for the fact that it's done really, really fast. So you're going to start with a shuffle on the right foot, a step heel, and then a touch. And then you're going to do the same thing on the left side. Shuffle, step heel, touch. Then you're going to do a shuffle and a series of step heels. Shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. Okay? So it's just step heel, but it's going to be fast. Shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. You're basically filling out the 8 count with those step heels. So starting with the right foot, again, you have shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. With the counts, it starts on the 8, and you're going to go 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and. Then you're going to repeat it starting on the left side, same thing, starting on the 8. Shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. You're going to do it one more time starting on the right side. Shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Okay, so let's put this all together. Starting with the right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and. Okay, let's try taking it a little faster. So you've got 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and. Okay, you want to really make sure you are separating the sounds between the toe and the heel. When we go faster, very often I will see students just basically do a shuffle step and they're not hitting toe heel. So practice just stepping toe heel, doing these little rolls and getting those as fast as you can and making sure your sounds are still clean. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. So starting with the right foot, You've got 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, touch, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel.